In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clip on Capcut using your iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a beginner, just getting started on your editing journey, this tutorial is designed to guide you through each step clearly and effectively. We're going to explore a simple process that can significantly enhance your video editing capabilities, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. So let's get started. First up, we need to open the Capcut app. If you have an existing project that you're already working on, go ahead and tap on it. However, if you're starting fresh, you'll want to select New Project. This will create a blank canvas for your creative ideas. It's important to feel comfortable knowing where all your resources and clips are before diving into adding new material, so take a moment here to ensure you're in the right project. Once you're inside your project, you'll see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is your workspace where all the magic happens. To add a new clip, look for the small plus icon. It should be sitting right next to your current clips. Go ahead and give that a tap. Tapping this plus icon opens up the door to your library of media, where you can choose the next exciting piece of content to include in your project. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be directed to your gallery. This is where you can browse through all the videos and images saved on your phone. Take your time to scroll through your gallery and identify the perfect clip that you want to include. Once you've made your selection, tap on the desired clip. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're selecting the right version or the best cut possible to ensure seamless integration. Now with your clip selected, tap the Add button. This action will insert the chosen clip directly into your timeline, fitting it perfectly among any other clips you've already placed. You should see your clip appear where you can start visualizing how it fits with the rest of your content. It's really satisfying to see your project take shape as you add new elements. Once your clip is added, you might want to rearrange its position within the timeline or edit it to better suit your project. Simply drag the clip to reorder it, giving your project a personalized flow. If you need to make any quick edits such as trimming or adjusting the speed, tap on the clip and you'll have those editing options at your fingertips. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to add a clip on Capcut using your iPhone. This process provides you with the flexibility to create polished and professional content with ease. Keep practicing and you'll become more proficient in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on mastering Capcut.